Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change a name on Monopoly Go application. If you're looking for a way to change your display name for Monopoly Go, then the process is quite simple. Go through your app drawer and launch open Monopoly Go application. Once you open up your game, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on your profile picture at the top. You will be able to see the list of avatars and your name displayed on the screen. Tap on the pencil icon right next to your name, and then after typing in the new name, tap on submit. You can change your name 2 times altogether for Monopoly Go. If you're sure you'd like to change your name, tap on submit, and there you have successfully changed your name for Monopoly Go. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.